Hi everyone and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video we'll show you a couple of common symptoms that appear when the throttle body on your car is on its last legs. We'll state the symptoms from when they just begin and go all the way to the final symptoms that are the most obvious. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. If you're interested, you can watch our video on how to clean the throttle body without removing it from the engine. This is a pretty easy option for solving this problem. Click on the card in the corner of the video or on the link in the description. The first symptom you'll probably encounter is rough and uneven idling of the engine. At the beginning, it will be barely noticeable, but it will eventually become present all the time. At first, it may only appear while the engine is cold. In the later phase, it will start to appear even when the engine is hot. Next symptom of a bad throttle body is that the engine will start running rough. At the beginning, it won't be that noticeable, while later it will much resemble an engine misfire. You'll also notice a change in the acceleration. Instead of an instant response, it will be sluggish and slower. There might also be a significant delay from the moment you press the pedal until the acceleration actually starts. One more obvious symptom of a bad throttle body is poor fuel economy. First, the change will be minor, but as the problem progresses, it will be more drastic. The fuel consumption will be higher by at least 30% or more. When all of this starts, the check engine light will probably appear on the dash. This is mostly due to the disturbance in the air-fuel mixture due to the bad throttle body. Also, if you have a throttle body that is electronically driven, like on this Skoda Fabia for instance, you may also get the EPC light on the dash. For the final and most obvious symptom, when the throttle body totally fails, the car may go into safe mode, also known as limp mode. This means your car will have limited acceleration and in more drastic cases, depending on the car you have, it may not accelerate at all. If possible, never let the problem get to this phase. Expect this symptom to happen after the check engine light, EPC light, or other similar type of warning lights appear. At best, the car will be drivable, just barely, and in worst cases, you'll have to pull over and stop. As with most car problems, you should react on time, especially since the throttle body is a vital part and because proper acceleration is a matter of safety. Best make an inspection the moment you notice any of the first three symptoms and consider as a final notice of the problem when the warning lights come up on the dash. The solution to a throttle body problem is usually either cleaning or replacing it completely. Cleaning is certainly worth trying as it in many cases has a successful outcome, but also because a new throttle body is a pretty pricey part. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.